What's up, beautiful disasters? On this shop with me, it's children, clothes, and crafts. Oh my, and some baby stuff too. Let's go.
Next was the sock aisle. They had some really cool socks that came in around the holidays. The sushi socks, these gold ticket socks. I think those were cute. They even had Sprite socks and pizza socks. They even had money socks. They had some double bubble dots, junior mint socks. I mean, sugar daddy socks. Like, sugar daddy socks? Yeah. Now these socks I was really thrown off by. B-U-B odd. With the little girls on it. They were different. I like the slogan. The socks, yeah.
Now, if you've been to Dollar Tree recently, you know they've been starting to get clothes in. So I came across these men's rib tanks and these boys' rib tanks in sizes small, medium, and large. They did have boys' boxer briefs, but I did not see any men's. They also had these pack of underwear for little girls for $1.25, and you get all four, which was really cool. They had some plush throws. Now, they weren't that plush, but they were definitely throws. And they had some new winter socks, hats, scarves, everything you could think of, especially for this season, seeing how it's snowing in Florida. Yeah. Good times. Cute hair accessories for little girls, for newborns, and then they had some new stuff down the baby aisle. Let's explore. Next is the craft aisle. They had some really cool new crafts that I just have to show you. First, these skin tone colored pencils. That's right. They also had crayons. I was really impressed with these finds. Love a good felt tip pen, and you can get 2 of these pens for $1.25. They also have these jellies scissors, like jellies like the shoes you used to wear when you were a kid, the jelly sandals. Now they have scissors. They also have these craft sticks in all these different colors. Really cool. And these glue sticks. I mean, look at the size of these for $1.25. You can cut them down to the size that you need. Now, if one of your New Year's resolutions was to read more, they have these really cool bookmarks, and you can get a lot of them for $1.25. Now, let's explore the rest of what the craft aisle has. These paint trays are great if you have a little Picasso at any time of year, but especially because the summertime is right around the corner, these will definitely come in handy. You put the paint at the bottom and they can go ahead and paint away. Alright, let's leave the craft section and go ahead and go over to the health aisle. They have these chill strips for fevers, these shower vapor tabs if you have some sick kiddos, and let's see what else they have new.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.